Boom. Alright, y'all, so I finally got all the LED lights in for my bike. Headlights, the blinker, the brake lights. And I went through all the reviews too, because I feel like the reviews matter. So here's the main 7-inch. If you ask me, that looks pretty good. Nice black inside. It's hard. Seems like a good product. It's heavy too. We got 2 side lights. These newer connectors. I guess I might have to splice these in if my bike don't have this connector, but it should. It said it fits, plug and play. The other light, it's got a nice metal housing in the back. This is the tail light. It looks pretty good. It seems like it's well made. It comes with a rubber seal in the back. Comes with a new plug. And it comes with instructions. So this is the blinkers. They match the tail lights really good.
Yes, you're right. Turn the page on you. They blame it on.
Alright, I'm gonna start by doing the blinkers. I got the yellow, white, and black. These should be the amber blues for the front. You definitely gotta push them in. You don't need the covers anymore, but we do need the screws. Remember, for the fronts, it's yellow, black, and white. Come back. Yeah, making a difference already. Go ahead and do the 3 headlights in the front. Front. A little clip. That you unclip. Now y'all seen how easy that was? Normal person should be able to do it. Alright, let's see if this is direct plug and play like they say. See, this plug clamps here, and the factory plug clamps on the side. Right up. Let's go this way. Hope they fit in like they should. That looks like it's gonna. Where it says dot on the headlight, that's gonna be your top part. One more time. Alright. This ring is gonna have a groove that the light goes right into on the side. And they'll have a groove on the bottom where the ring for the headlight sits. Go in with it like so. I think an easy way for this bolt is gonna just be to get it going. Tighten it up real snug. Such an easy install. You got this bolt, little screw, thing that comes right out. Unplug, take it out, take your top ring off. Got your new light. Take tape, get it up, make sure it works. Don't forget to put your bezel on. Put that in there, motherfucker, like that. Now remember, the words have to go towards the top. Test it again. Put your extras back. Boom. Kind of hold your hand on the headlight. Get your screw started. Tighten good. We got 4 of them in so far. Looking good so far.
I never took this apart ever. My first Harley. First time taking anything apart on the Harley. So I'm just taking it slow, taking it step by step.
I'm thinking this screw might be for the actual. Okay, so there's a bottom screw on it that holds it in. Also, there looks like 3 of them, so we'll get those taken out right quick. Stock headlight out. This headlight should plug right in. Sheesh, doggies. Hey, for real, so far this has went super smoothly. All the lights have been plug and play. They all fit perfect so far, and they all look really good. So I'm gonna keep the process going. I gotta change the whole bezel here because the new light came with one. So what I'm gonna do is take these 4 screws out. It's 4 Torx 25, which is gonna be T25. I'm gonna go ahead and get those taken out. So now I got the new one. I'm gonna know it's the bottom because this is the screw right here that holds on the chrome beauty ring. You get your 1 screw in, it'll kind of hold it up for you. So I got an old dirt ring. I'm gonna just try to line it up on the old dirt ring from my old light. Okay, I got them all snug. You don't want to over tighten these screws because it's screwing into plastic, and I can imagine it isn't that hard to strip out. I wouldn't use a drill on this project. I would just use a hand screwdriver. So I changed my T25 to the Phillips. That way I take this ring off and install the actual headlight itself. 1, 2, and a 3rd one. Okay, so I got that out. The same as the other lights, this light is going to say dot at the top, or DOT. Get it plugged in. You're going to have some grooves that this is going to sit right in, just like that. And the beauty ring, I set it down how I took it off. You don't need 2 people to do it. Make sure all your screw points are lined up on your bracket. And go around for a little re-snug. Ooh, that bit looking sick. We're gonna use the aftermarket screw they gave us. Factory bezels. There's a clip at the top, you just slide it in. And that's the front done. Now we'll go ahead and do the back. Alright, for the back lights, I'm going to go ahead and start with the 2 blinkers first. Get those changed out to the smoked LEDs, then we'll do the tail light, and we'll be done for right now until I decide what lights I want to change these out to. Alright, these lights are going to be the ones with the in black wire. One last light to go. Okay. Boom. Alright, so I took the tail light off. Wasn't able to just plug it right into the light from off of here because it was for a halogen bulb. It came with this plug, so I had to reference the old plug. So I hooked it up the same way on this plug, but I snapped it right back, and it's a direct plug and play. Get the light installed. Shit, brother. Brother, this shit is hitting, brother. Get them Johns wiped off. Sheesh. Aesthetic wise, 10 out of 10. Installation ease wise, 10 out of 10. Shipping was fast from Amazon. It was like they had them all in stock. They came right the next day. And yeah, I think I got everything I asked for. I'll put a link in the description. That way I can check them out. This is not a sponsored video. I did all this on my own. Filmed it on my own. Installed them on my own. Bought them on my own. Looked at the reviews on my own. So all I'm asking from y'all is a like and a subscribe, a comment. Let me know how y'all feel about the install, how y'all feel about the video, how y'all feel about the aesthetics of the bike now. So let me know. And thanks for watching.